You're gonna give the birds diabetes.
Yeah, what if you like fed them bread that was like had shit
Well,
in it?
anyone could just poison the entire bird
I know,
population
right?
right now.
Like, this is another reason why government's flawed, because people can do this without getting caught.
That's a criminal right there.
I like think if you did the
Criminal.
think if you did the opposite, like inside the bread you had like some like you put like steroids in it or something, like super protein, like matrix.
Look at all these damn birds.
The birds would be like buff as hell. That'd be so sick. I kind of want to do that.
You come back the next day and all of them are like just dead in the water.
I know. They're just swimming.
What happened to the birds?
Who takes like care of like this like? I'm sure they have like a community of like people that have to make sure the birds are doing okay.
Yeah, it's people's jobs.
Yeah. It's like they'd come in here one day and they'd see all them dead.
I don't have any food, bird.
Aww.
Birds are cool though. I think birds are my favorite animals.
Birds? My favorite are wolves.
Oh, okay. Because birds can fly.
That's true.
And like there are like so many different kinds. And they're colorful.
Yeah, that's true. Birds are
Bird transition.
probably